thought I'd lost it. So we are back, day 15, and my candle's getting lower and lower. Hope it lasts. I'm sure it will. Did you know that gingerbread used to be made with honey and breadcrumbs? Neither did I. I'm going to be giving you 4 more interesting fun facts throughout the video that you might not know about gingerbread, because it's all about gingerbread today. And I'm going to move that slightly out of the way because I've got these wafting around. So we are on day 15. I haven't got my number 15 out, which is not a good plan. There we go. Now I have. I'm ready. And again, I just want to cover up my white bit first. So I've got, and I'm just going to rip it because, you know, my water brush is somewhere else. And we're just going to put these down because I feel like napkins are a great way to just cover the bottom of your pages. They give you a base. And we're talking about traditions today. So I wondered how the tradition of baking gingerbread men came. So I had a little look, you know, on our favourite Google page and I found out something that I didn't know before. That they actually came about. This is one of the theories. I mean, there's probably a few more. But one of the theories is that back in the day, Queen Elizabeth I had her cooks prepare little ginger biscuits for her important guests. And they cut them into the shape of the guest. And that might not have gone down too well. But apparently that's one of the origins of gingerbread. You know, making the gingerbread men. It's not the origin of ginger, obviously, you know, but to make gingerbread men. And I thought that was pretty cool. There are loads of cool stuff. So I'm just going to put these on. Now, I don't know if I can get him on completely. I don't know. Right, so this man, this gingerbread man, because we've got a gingerbread girl on, I think I'm going to cut round him a bit more and I'm going to put him on the back. And what I've done is I've gone into my vintage recipe book and I've found a recipe for gingerbread men. And I've typed it out on my old typewriter. And I thought this would be brilliant as a little journaling spot. I mean, it's so basic. Flour, salt, bicarb soda, ginger, cinnamon, black treacle and evaporated milk. I'm not sure that you would make your gingerbread men like that anymore. But, you know, it's a very old cookbook. Hang on, I will show you. So this is it. Cake making in pictures, Muriel Downs. And it's very old. And it's even got some colour pictures, which I thought was quite cool. 1957 this was. And my recipe was somewhere here. There it is. And these are the gingerbread man you made. Currant eyes and glacé cherries mouths. And then just piped icing. And gingerbread houses. Oh, one of the fun facts is about a gingerbread house. Did you know that the gingerbread house in Hansel and Gretel wasn't made of ginger? Apparently, in the original, everything's going flying. Let's put the lid on. in the original, she was saying, like I was saying before I got rudely interrupted by flying glue, the house was actually made from bread, and the roof was cake, and the windows were sugar, probably melted sugar, I would believe. Right, I've stuck that down now, and I think it's a bit close to the middle. I think it'll be all right. So that's a little journaling spot. I've got all this gap now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put him on, but he's going to sort of go over the edge onto this bit somehow. So yeah, so I just dug out an old vintage recipe book and found this recipe, and I thought that would be really cool, you know, because it is traditional that we use grandma's recipes, don't we? Passed down, if you're lucky enough. If not, get an old book. Oh my goodness, these bits are everywhere. Go off. And this is only going to take a minute, this page, so I do have something else that I want to do as a little bonus, because it's a short video. So there we go. I think I've got one more fact. Yes. Children used to learn their alphabet with cut out alphabet letters. How about that? I know. I did not know that either. There's lots of stuff I don't know, to be honest. So, yeah, I didn't know that. So we've got a bit of journaling space. We've got a vintage recipe. Oh, that's still wet. I want to fill up this space. What can we put on that space? We need to find something in our little box to put on there, because, you know, it's a blank space and we've hardly done anything today. I know I don't. Oh, look what I found. I found a little gingerbread man. Should we have another one on, just to cover up the space? Or I've got another one. I've got loads of these. Where have these all come from? We could just put a decoration or a label or something up there. What should we put up there? How about a stamp? I've got a stamp. How about that lady with children? That looks nice. Maybe they're all going, please, can we make gingerbread? Gingerbread men. Is it Gingerbread Men Day? Maybe. Uh-oh. You know what we haven't done? Oops. I forgot again. Sorry, Waddles. It's okay. I don't mind as long as I can eat some gingerbread. I can't believe I forgot him. I bet you were all saying, where's Waddles? Where's Waddles? Nope, I forgot. It's all right, because we are going to do something else, Waddles. We are going to decorate some of the page edges, because they need doing. But before we go, the last fun fact about gingerbread. Queen Victoria of England, obviously, used to feed gingerbread to her dog. I know. I don't think gingerbread's very good for dogs, but, you know, she's the queen. She's allowed. And what I thought I would do is, because it's been a very quick page, is I'm going to go and see if I can decorate some of the page edges on my book. Probably not, because I've jammed them full, haven't I? I've put lots of stuff on. That one, maybe? I could maybe get a little bit on there. Maybe not. It's quite full up. Maybe we will decorate the next page. I've glued that together. No, I haven't. Maybe we could put a bit down here, just to... I think I quite like that. I just feel like it's been very quick today, which is fine because I've had a busy morning. It's a weekend, so obviously we've been out and we've been for a walk in the forest. And we took some of my homemade butternut squash soup. That was yummy. And we had that when we got back to the van, which was really nice. So, yeah, I think I'm going to put some down these edges here. What do you think? I don't know what we're going to do on these days. Hopefully, it'll match when I go to do it. Now, we'll put it on this side, I think. So, how long? So, this is just another idea to do your, spice up your December daily a bit. And I'm going to put it on first because I think if I don't, I will forget. So I'm putting this ribbon on. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to smooth that out because I don't want lumps. So I hope you enjoyed the fun facts about gingerbread. I didn't know them. Definitely didn't know about Hansel and Gretel not being made of gingerbread. That was a bit of a surprise. Oh, I'm using the wrong glue. Oops. Don't keep it there. Move it away. Yeah. So if you've got any fun facts about gingerbread, do share them in the comments. Because I know people read the comments. So, it would be quite cool. Let's put another one. I had some more. Oh, I had this. Oh, that would look really nice on there, wouldn't it? I'm going to put some of this on. We've used this on our Christmas jumper, but I just think it'd look really nice on there. Oops, I should put the lid on. Put the lid on because it's doing that whole coming out the top bit. So yeah, this is just a little bonus little thing so that you can do a bit of prepping on your pages. And you can use paper or ribbons, whichever you've got. And it just adds something cool. And I'll add a couple more. Oh no, oh, we're nearly finished. Oh my goodness. Of course, we are on day 15. So I think I can shut that now. I think it's not quite dry. We'll have to leave that page open. What else? There you are. Oh, goodness me. Are you going to stay there and have a chat with the gingerbread people? I hope you're enjoying the December Daily and that you're doing some of your traditions along the way. So join me tomorrow. We'll have another tradition and another page. Bye for now.